See, in nucleophilic substitution reaction, reaction of haloalkanes is complete. So reaction of haloalkanes are involved in nucleophilic substitution reaction and elimination reaction and reaction with metals. These three chemical reactions are only involve the haloalkanes only. So coming to the reactions of haloarenes. So nucleophilic substitution reaction. Haloarenes means what? Arene means what? Benzenic. Haloarenes. So nucleophilic substitution reaction in haloarenes. Nucleophilic substitution reaction is haloarenes. See, so haloarenes are nucleophilic substitution reaction of haloarenes. So haloarenes, aryl halides, that is aryl halides. Aryl halides less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reactions. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. See here, so aryl halides are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. So very important. Aryl halides means what? Haloarenes. Haloarenes and aryl halides both are same. Aryl halides are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction due to the following some reasons is there. So reasons is what? First one is resonance effect. Second one is carbon hybridization of carbon and halogen atom attached to hybridization. Difference between the hybridization of carbon and halogen attached. And next one is instability of phenylcation and so by the repulsions. These four reasons is there. So why haloarenes are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction, then haloalkane. So haloalkanes are involved in nucleophilic substitution reaction, but haloarenes, that is aryl halides, are very less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction because of resonance effect and difference between the hybridization of hybridized carbon and halogen bond attached. And next one is instability of phenylcation. Next one is repulsions. Okay, so four reasons is there. It is very important. So reactions of haloarenes. Why haloarenes are not involved in nucleophilic substitution reaction? By the four reasons is there. Four reasons. One is resonance effect. Second one is difference the hybridization of carbon halogen bond. Difference the hybridization of carbon atom and carbon halogen bond. And third one is instability of phenylcation. Fourth one is repulsion. Four reasons are very important. It is compulsory one question like this. Haloarenes, that is aryl halides, does not involve the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Why? And explain. This is the question. Haloarenes very less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Why? Why means four reasons you have to write. Okay, if you get 2 marks means 4 reasons only you can write. If in case explain means completely you have to explain. See, coming to the one by one we'll discuss. So first one is resonance effect. So first one is resonance effect. So what is in this resonance effect? See here, if haloarenes, so if haloarenes, so if haloarenes, the electron pair of an halogen atom, the electron pair on halogen atom, the electron pair on halogen atom are in conjugation with pi electrons of the ring, pi electrons of the ring. And for if haloarenes, the electron pairs and halogen atom are in conjugation with the pi electrons of the ring. It is very important. So 4 reasons is there. Haloarenes. Haloarenes does not involve the nuclear towards the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Haloarenes less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction because of four reasons is there. First one is resonance effect. If haloarenes means what? Haloarenes means in this halogen group, arene means benzene ring. Haloarenes, the electron pair and halogen atom are in conjugation. Conjugation means what? Alternative. So 1 and 3, 5, 7 like this, alternative. Okay, alternative with the 5 electrons. Okay, carbon single bond and double bond. Next carbon single bond and double bond like this, conjugation with the pi electrons of the ring. Arene ring means benzene ring. If haloarenes, the electron pair and halogen atom are in conjugation with the pi electrons of the ring following the resonance structures. See, I will write resonance structure. So if haloarenes, the electron pair, the halogen is how many electron pair is there? Halogen atom like chlorine, bromine, iodine. How many electrons is present on the atom? 3 unpaired electrons, 3 lone pair of electrons are present. See, if haloarenes, the electron pairs on halogen atom are in conjugation with the pi electrons of the ring. It is clear? See, if haloarenes, the electron pairs on halogen atom are in conjugation, that means these electrons are present in halogen atom. That electrons is conjugation with the pi electrons of the ring. So that means halogen atom having electron pairs. That electron pairs are conjugation. That means alternate conjugation with the pi electrons of the ring. Let us see the resonance structures of this molecule. So resonance. Let us see the resonance. So resonance we have to see. Resonance. So haloarenes is resonance we have to see. See resonance of the molecule. See here I will write. So benzene ring is there. Haloarenes. Halo means halogen. Here is halogen. How many lone pair? 3 lone pair of electrons are present. 3 lone pairs. See, 3 lone pairs of electrons are present. So it is conjugation with. If haloarenes, the electron pairs on halogen atom are in conjugation with pi electrons of the ring. Pi electrons. See, single bond. Here is double bond, and it is double bond. And next, it is conjugation. This lone pair of electrons is involved. Immediately this bond shifted to here. Then what happened here is what happened is here. See here. This carbon atom getting negative charge, and this is halogen is positive charge, will get positive charge and 2 lone pairs of electrons, and coming to like this. So let us see this continue like this. Then immediately this bond shifted to here and this bond shifted to here. Resonance. Already know resonance or mesomeric same, both are same concept. In first period you discuss. And this is shifted to here and negative charge. And next here is halogen, positive charge. And this bond shifted to here. Immediately this bond shifted to this carbon atom. This carbon getting negative charge. So this is the resonance structures. If haloarenes, the electron pair or halogen atom are in conjugation with the pi electrons of the ray. The electron pairs. Here is 3 lone pair of electrons is there. The electron pairs are conjugation with the pi electrons of the ring. See resonance structures here. This bond is shifted to here. Okay, lone pair of electrons involve the CX bond. So CX bond is become a double bond character, C double bond X, and halogen is getting positive charge, and this carbon is negative charge. Then continuously resonance structure. So continuously it is delocalized the pi electrons. Okay, in the ring one, in the ring. So continuously d electrons are. So this pi electrons are delocalized in the ring only. Okay, is it clear? So carbon and halogen atom. So during this resonance structure, during this resonance structure, during this resonance structure, during this resonance structure, resonance structure, it is resonance structure of halogens, resonance structure of halogens. Okay, during this resonance structure, carbon halogen bond having carbon halogen bond having partially double bond character, partially double bond character, partially double bond character. See, during this resonance structure, carbon halogen bond, CX bond, carbon halogen bond. So having partially double bond character. See, so haloarenes are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction than haloalkane. Haloalkanes is carbon and halogen only single bond. Coming to the haloarenes, during this resonance structure, carbon and halogen is partially double bond character. It is very difficult to break the bond than haloalkane. It is very difficult to break the bond. This partial bond, it is very difficult to break the bond. It is very difficult to break the bond in haloarenes. Then haloalkane. Why? Because in haloalkane only carbon and halogen single bond only. But in haloarenes, during this resonance structure, carbon and halogen is double bond character. See, this is very important. So resonance structure, resonance effect. So aryl halides, that means haloarenes, does not involve less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Why? Because resonance effect. First reason is resonance effect. So halogen. So in haloarenes, lone pair of electrons on halogen atom, conjugation with pi electrons of the arene ring. So during this resonance structure, carbon and halogen is partially double bond character. So carbon and halogen partially double bond character. So it is very difficult to break the bond. Then haloalkane. Why? Because in haloalkane is carbon and halogen is single bond is present. See, very important. So in haloarenes, carbon and halogen is partially double bond character because of resonance. But in haloalkanes, carbon and halogen is single bond. So compared to single bond, double bond is very difficult to break the bond. It is very important point. You understand this resonance structure? Okay, this is the first reason. And coming to the second reason, difference in hybridization of carbon atom. Second reason, difference in hybridization of carbon atom in carbon and halogen bond. See, next one is, so difference in hybridization of carbon atom in carbon and halogen bond. Hybridization difference. See here, in haloalkanes, not halogens, in haloalkanes, the carbon atom attached to halogen atom, the carbon atom attached to halogen atom, the carbon atom is attached to halogen atom, In haloalkanes, the carbon atom attached to halogen atom is sp3 hybridized. Is sp3 hybridized. While in case of haloarenes, the carbon atom attached to halogen atom is sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Is sp2 hybridization. See here, if haloalkane, that means alkyl halides. Haloalkane means alkyl halide. The carbon atom attached to halogen atom is sp3 hybridized. While in case of haloarenes, the carbon atom attached to halogen atom is sp2 hybridized. Let us see the equation. So haloarenes. See, halogen. Okay, and alkyl halides are, see, you can take any alkyl halides, no problem. H or C or H X. It is haloarenes, it is alkyl halides. It is haloarenes, it is alkyl halides. Okay, whatever is there. See, alkyl is what R group, whatever is except hydrogen. See, in haloarenes, this carbonized atom hybridization is what? Carbon atom sp2 hybridized. In this carbon atom sp3 hybridized. It is sp2 hybridization. In this haloarenes, carbon atom sp2 hybridization. In haloalkanes, carbon atom is sp3 hybridization. See here, so if haloalkanes, the carbon atom attached to halogen is sp3 hybridization, while in case of haloarenes, the carbon atom attached to halogen atom is sp2 hybridization. So difference in hybridization of carbon atom in carbon halogen bond. Due to this reason also, haloarenes are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction than haloalkanes. It is very important point here. Why haloarenes is less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction? Because of first one is resonance effect, second one is difference in hybridization of carbon atom in carbon and halogen bond. If haloalkanes, the carbon atom, in haloalkanes, this is haloalkanes, that is alkyl halide. This is haloarenes. So in haloalkanes, the carbon atom attached to halogen atom is sp3 hybridized. This carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. While in case of haloarenes, the carbon atom attached to this carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. Okay, is it clear? See, coming to the so in this difference, due to this sp2 hybridization. See here, due to this sp2 hybridization, the sp2 hybridized carbon with a the sp2 hybridized carbon atom the sp2 hybridized carbon atom with a greater electronegative, greater S character. The sp2 hybridized carbon atom with a greater S character is more electronegativity. See here, sp2 hybridization, what is the percentage of S character, and sp3 hybridization, what is the percentage? Total how many sp2? Total 3. In this sp2 33.3. Here is 25% only. So in the sp2 hybridization carbon atom with a greater s character is more electronegativity. So it is can hold the electrons is more tightly. Can hold the electrons is more tightly. Can hold the electron pairs. Can hold the electron pairs tightly. Then can hold the electron pairs of tightly in carbon halogen bond. See, the sp2 hybridization carbon with a greater s character. So greater means more percentage of s character is there. More percentage of s character is more electronegativity. More percentage of s character is more electronegativity. So whenever more electronegativity means electrons pair is attractive towards itself. So more electronegativity means can hold the electron pairs tightly in carbon halogen bond. Then sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Then sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Then sp3 hybridized carbon atom in alloalkane. See, this is the one. So the sp2 hybridization carbon atom with the greater s character is more electronegativity. So percentage of s character is more electron. It is very important point. That's why alkane is more electronegativity compared to alkane and alkene. Alkynes are having more. Why? Because in alkynes is what is the hybridization sp? In alkene sp2, alkene sp3. So percentage of s character is increase. Electronegativity of carbon atom also increases. When electronegativity of carbon atom, whatever electronegativity is increased, any atom is increase the electronegativity. It is the electrons is attracted towards. Okay, so that's why it is carbon is sp2 hybridization. It is more electronegativity than this carbon hybridization. It is sp3 hybridization. Why? Because this carbon is in this sp2 hybridization percentage of s character is more. Percentage of s character. More s character percentage. It is 33.3. Here is 25% only. So percentage of s character is more. Electronegativity is more. It is electrons is attracted. That is more can hold the electrons more tightly towards in carbon halogen bond. Then sp3 hybridized carbon atom in alkanes. So however, according to bond length also. So in CCl bond length in alloalkane. CCl, that is whatever is there. For example, you can take halogen, chlorine. CCl bond length in haloalkane. So experimental, that is 177 picometer. While in haloarenes, CCl bond length is 169 picometer. See, generally it is experimental only. So important point this one. Due to the difference hybridization of carbon atom, this point is very, very important. The sp2 hybridization carbon atom with a greater s character, more s character means more electronegativity. More electronegativity, it is easily can hold the electron pairs tightly towards in carbon halogen bond than sp3 hybridization carbon atom in haloalkanes. So CCl bond length in haloalkanes is 177 picometer, while in haloarene CCl bond length is 169 picometer. Which one is more bond length? So in haloalkane is more bond length. More bond length means bond strength is very less. More bond length is more, so bond strength is very less. That's why it is very easily break the bond in haloalkanes than haloarenes. Easily break the bond in haloalkanes. Bond strength is very less. Bond length is due to because of bond length is increase. Okay, so this is the reason. So it is difficult to break the bond due to this bond length also. Okay, In haloalkanes is 177 picometer. In haloarenes is 169 picometer. So it is bond length is more. So it is very difficult to break the bond in haloarenes than haloalkanes due to bond length. So more bond length is very strength is very less. Less bond length is more bond strength. It is very important point only. So this is the second reason. This is the second reason. Coming to the third reason. Instability of phenyl cation. Instability of phenyl cation. Instability of phenyl cation. This is also important. Instability of phenyl cation. See, in case of haloarenes, phenyl cation. In case of haloarenes, see, in case of haloarenes, the phenyl cation is formed or produced. The phenyl cation is formed. So produced. In case of haloarenes, the phenyl cation is formed as a result. So in case of haloarenes, the phenyl cation is formed as a result of self ionization. See, in case of haloarenes, the phenyl cation formed as a result of self ionization. So self ionization will not be stabilized by self ionization. Will not be stabilized by the resonance. And therefore SN1 mechanism is ruled out. So SN1 mechanism, what is the cations? Carbocations. So see, in case of haloarenes, the phenyl cation is formed as a self ionization itself. See, for example, I will write here that the self ionization. See, phenyl cation, for example, this is the molecule. Haloarenes, self ionization. For example, self means itself. Self ionization. So it is loss of. So formation of phenyl cation. This is phenyl cation. See here, it is the halogenous loss. Okay, it is what? Phenyl cation. This is phenyl cation. This is the phenyl cation. See here, in case of haloarenes, the phenyl cation is formed. So phenyl cation is formed. How it is? Self ionization will not be stabilized by the resonance. So that's why it is the SN1. It is very unstable. Very unstable. If in case after formation of this bond product, it is very immediately react. If it is unstable, very unstable, it is not stable only. Okay, so the instability of phenyl cation, it is very unstable only. If in case after formation of only it is appears only 2-3 seconds only. So immediately it is react with another molecule. So that's why it is very unstable due to instability of phenyl cation. So haloarenes are less reactive towards the nucleophilic substitution reaction. That's why this is a this SN1 mechanism is ruled out. SN1 mechanism, by SN1 mechanism, in SN1 mechanism is, what is the intermediate? Carbocations are intermediate. Carbocations are intermediate. Very, very important. Whenever haloarins is self-ionization, so phenylcation is produced. It is very unstable. That's why it is SN1 mechanism is ruled out. And last one is, like one point is there. Last one is like one point is there. 4 points. So last one is, because of the repulsion, possible repulsion. Because of the fourth point, last fourth point, like one. Because of the possible repulsions. Because of the possible repulsions, it less. Because of the possible repulsion, it is less likely for electron rich nucleophile to approach electron rich arenes. So because of the repulsions, it is less likely, it is repulsions, due to presence of repulsions, it is less likely for electron rich nucleophile. Electron rich means nucleophiles, to approach the electron rich arenes. See, in our chemistry, so both are negative means repulsion, both are positive means repulsion. Okay, both are, one is minus, one is plus, attractions is happens. Okay, it is general. So both are negative, repulsions, both are positive, repulsions, both are one is positive, one is negative, attraction is happens. Here is also same concept. So electron rich nucleophile means electron rich. Okay, so electron rich, whenever electron rich nucleophile attracted to electron rich of arenes also electron rich only. Why? Because this pi bond is there inside the ring, electron rich here. For example, arenes, haloarenes you can take. So pi bond is there. So this bond is continuously delocalized. That means it is electron rich. So this is electron rich of arenes. Electron rich arenes. So nucleophiles also, so electron rich only. This nucleophiles also electron rich. So both are, whenever both are attraction, both are is what? This is a excess of electrons, this is both are repulsions is happening. Both are repulsions. It is electron rich of arenes, it is nucleophiles also electron rich. So both are coming to the repulsions is happening. Whenever both are reacted, repulsions is happens. So this is the reactions. So why haloarenes are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction? 4 reasons is there. One is resonance effect. Second one is difference in the hybridization of carbon atom attached to carbon halogen bond. And third one is instability of phenylcation. Fourth one is repulsions of electron rich of arenes and electron rich of nucleophiles. This is the concept. Okay. Reaction of haloarenes, why it is not involved the nucleophilic substitution reactions. This is the reason. It is very important. Okay, thank you.